All right, my name is Douglas Hill. This is going to be my week 5 demo video. And this week we've added the contact info class, which is a member of our account class. So here I have my contact info um, object of the account contact info class, which is a shared pointer. And it is initially set as a null pointer and is updated by the initialize info class function, and you can see that my contact info class does not have any, it doesn't take any arguments in the constructor, so it's done all entirely by the initialize info function. So as far as options I've added the ability to add the contact information, update the contact information, and display the account contact information. Um, I have written it in such a way that um, where are you? If the contact information is still a null pointer, then it will inform the user of that and give them the option um, to update it then. If you don't, then it just bounces back to the menu and you can do it over again. In terms of updating my account, I've gone or updating the information in the contact information object. I've done things a little differently. I've added a map or a dictionary attribute to it that adds a little more sophistication in menus. Instead of just having a menu that goes from one to however many, when that occurs, it'll prompt the user to enter what data member they want to change and then prompt them to enter what the new value is. So I've done it a little bit differently. So when this initializes the street, city, state, zip code, and phone numbers attributes, and it also sets up the dictionary, and then any changes therefore thereafter and displaying is actually done from the dictionary. So that is a rundown of my code. I'm gonna go ahead and do my clean. Succeeded with no problems. We didn't do a build. Whoops, that failed because I had this open because I've been making several videos. Let's try that again. All right. So yeah, definitely if you have the terminal window open when you try and build, it definitely doesn't work. So I close it and now it succeeded with no problems. Pull this guy over here. All right. So I'm gonna go first and make a couple of accounts, and I'm gonna just make another one for myself. So I'm gonna try and display the account information of the first one. And there's no account information, so I'm going to just hit no because I don't want to, and we'll bounce you back to the menu. Again, if I say yes, then it will enter me into this. Um, let's see, so I live in Idaho Falls. I live in Idaho. Oh, what did that wrong? Let's go. All right. So I will now display, and because there is information there, I will display it. Now, I left Idaho as wrong, spelled wrong, so I'm going to go back and update it. Go back to my account, and I'm going to update the state and spell it correctly. And if I show this, it will show us updated correctly. Um, Now I'm going to just go and add straight up some contact information into the other account and do the same thing. Zero. All right. So that covers all the functions, and that is my program for this week.